Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's Python lesson, I'm going to tell you how to write a better and clear code and also how to make your code more readable and understandable. And also, I'm going to tell you how to write comments and so on. Now, let's deep dive into our topic. This is the scenario that we are going to see today. And this example, I've taken it from the internet. Now, our task is to calculate income tax with the rules we have mentioned here. The rule is for the first 10,000 of the income or salary, the rate of tax is 0%. And for the next 10,000 of the income, the rate of tax is 10%. And for the remaining income amount, the rate is 20%. Now, let's take an example. For example, if the income is 45,000, for the first 10,000, we will calculate 0% tax, and for the second 10,000 we will calculate 10% tax, and for the remaining 25,000 we will calculate 20% tax. And summing up all these taxes, we will end up the income tax payable is around 6,000. So this is the code for the scenario. Here I am assuming income as 45,000 and initially the tax payable is 0%. Here I am just printing the income, and in if statement I am just checking if the income is less than or equal to 10,000. If it is less than or equal to 10,000 and my tax payable is 0%. Else if my income is less than or equal to 20,000, I just need to calculate tax for the 10%. For that I am subtracting 10,000 from my income and I am just calculating 10% of it. Else, if my income is more than 20,000, for the first 10,000, the tax is 0. And for the next 10,000, the tax is 10% of it. Here, I am adding 10% tax with the remaining amount. So, for remaining amount, I am just subtracting 20,000 from my income and I am calculating 20% tax here. Finally, here we are printing the tax payable amount. Now let me run this program. Yes, we are getting the output that our income is 45,000 and for this income we need to pay 6,000 tax. Now let's learn how to write comments and why do we need to write comments. Comments are just notes that are added to our program to provide more information about our source code. Now I have commented my program. Basically there are two types of commenting. One is single line commenting and the other one is multiple line commenting. And this commenting can be placed in anywhere in our program. For single line commenting, we need to use number sign at the beginning of the line. Here in this program, at the beginning, I have commented that this program is to calculate income tax. We can also comment at the same line of the code. Here I have commented that this is income and this is tax payable. We can also comment multiple lines by using the same number sign for each line of the code. Also for multiple line commenting, we can use triple quotes at the beginning and end of the comments. Now, why comments are so important while writing code? For example, in an organization, we work in a team and there are many programmers who work on the same project. If our source code is well commented, then it will be helpful for other programmers to understand our code better. It is not only helpful for other programmers, but it is helpful for ourselves also. Because sometimes we forget how we actually arrived at the solution or how we wrote the logic. At that time, these comments will help us to recognize the logic behind our code. If someone else sees our code, I'm damn sure they'll not understand what is the aim of this code. Maybe they can understand a little bit by reading comments, but not completely. This is why our code should be clear. The goal of writing clear code is to make our code more readable and understandable. We can make our code clear by giving proper names to the variables, by giving comments wherever needed, and giving proper white spaces and indentation. And this is the basic steps for writing clear code. And there are many steps for writing standard and professional code. And we'll learn that in our further videos. First, we need to give proper naming to variables. So I have converted I as income and T as tax payable. I have converted all I's and T's. Second, we need to give proper comments. We already commented our program. And the third thing is we need to give proper white spaces. That is, we need to give spaces before and after the operator. See, I have changed everything. Next, we need to give the proper indentation. We already gave proper indentation. Now look how clear our code is. This is the standard and professional way of writing the code. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please to hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to share with your friends. Also follow my Instagram page. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.